Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple but powerful to-do list in Notion to organize your tasks. Open Notion and create a new page. Type to-do to add a simple checklist. This is great for quick daily tasks. For a more advanced list, type per table to create a database. Name your first column task and list your items there. Add a status property. Use the checkbox type. This lets you check off tasks as you complete them for a clear visual progress. Next, add a due date property. Use the date type to set deadlines for your important tasks so you never miss one. Create a priority property using the select type. Add options like high, medium, and low to help you focus on what's most important. You can sort your list by priority or due date to see exactly what needs your attention first. For a different view, switch to the board layout grouped by status to see your to-do and done columns visually. And that's it. You now have a flexible to-do list that can be as simple or detailed as you need it to be. If this helps you get more organized, let me know what your first task will be in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.